When you were a child, what did you want to be when you grew up? I've found that this question is the single most important question to ask yourself in the process of reinvention, because it provides a huge amount of insight into our desires before the world told us differently. When we were children, we answered this question without giving it much thought, but usually with a whole lot of truth. Now, as adults, we can go back to that question and ask ourselves, why was I interested in that occupation? What about it did I like? Are there elements of that profession that I'd like to explore now? However, there is one thing that I find slightly restrictive of this exercise. We have the preconceived idea that we can only answer with one option, the holy grail of occupations. But here's the thing. Not all of us are wired to do one thing for the rest of our lives. I know this because when I was a child, there were many things that I wanted to be. I wanted to be an artist, I wanted to join the Royal Air Force, I wanted to be an architect. That gave me huge clues later in life that I needed variety, creativity, adventure, novelty, travel. This led me to understand that as an adult, I was probably better suited to a portfolio career that allowed me to have all those elements in the work that I do. So what did you want to be when you were growing up?